In this video, we are going to find the domain of the function f of x, which is equal to the square root of x minus 1 all over x squared plus 2x minus 24. And we're going to write our answer in interval notation. So first, we need to check that two properties hold. First, we want to make sure that we're not taking the square root of something negative, so we want to make sure that x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. The next thing we want to check is that we're not dividing by 0, which means that we want to make sure our denominator, x squared plus 2x minus 24, is not 0. So this condition, that x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, tells us that if we add 1 to both sides, we get x is greater than or equal to 1. So in terms of a number line, this looks like this. So we have a shaded circle over 1, and x is greater than 1. So it can be anything to the right of 1 on the number line. Now, let's look at x squared plus 2x minus 24. So first, we want to try to factor that. So let's think of two numbers that multiply to minus 24, but add to positive 2. So if we choose 6 times minus 4, that's minus 24, and 6 plus minus 4 is 2. So we can factor this as x plus 6 times x minus 4. And we want to make sure this is not 0. So in particular, that means that x cannot be minus 6 or 4. So in terms of the number line, we can add a minus 6 over here. So notice that we can throw out that solution because it's not even included, since x has to be greater than or equal to 1. The next one is 4, and we know that x cannot be 4, so we want to draw an open circle here. So what this really looks like is closed circle over 1, open circle over 4, and we continue on until infinity. So if we want to write our answer in interval notation, we have a square bracket to include 1, then we go up to 4, and we use curved brackets to exclude 4, and this should be in union with curved bracket 4 to make sure we're excluding 4 all the way up to infinity with curved braces. So this is our final answer. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.